Hi guys, so what we're going to do now is we're going to combine the do statements and the switch statements. So it's basically, well, it's going to be a do while statement where you can run multiple parts of code. Now this is basically what I was talking about last time, but it's a little more simplified, whereas in what I was talking about we did outside of we did in a more complex measure. So I'm just going to delete this current switch statement we have up top and after copying it all. So if you accidentally deleted it before copying it, and then down here we're going to run just a bit. Okay, so what we need to do is that's fine. We don't really need this part here, but what we need to change this into a B. And no, we'll actually keep this line here. We could have gotten rid of it, but actually we will get rid of it. Number %d is out of scope, which is B. So there we go, that should solve the issue. Now if we run this thing out, okay, so it tells us that when we enter a number, push 4 to exit. We'll enter number 2. Okay, so that was my bad. I'll kill this. What I neglected to do was I neglected to end the lines on each of these, including this last one. So if we run it again, so yes, we enter 1, we get you entered 1, and then it runs it again, 2, 3, we know 4 is exit, so we'll go to 5, and number 5 is outside of the scope. Probably should have actually added in that, but that's basically what we were doing here. Again, negatives outside the scope, and 4 to exit. Number 4 is outside of the scope. You finish the loop. Okay, so I don't know. It's fine. I could have had a fourth value in that said this is the exit or this is the end rather than that, but basically what you can do is you can just do whatever you want really. And so what we would need to do that, we just need to copy this out and change this to a 4 and 4, then we'll break it. But again, it just doesn't say. It says number 4 entered and you finish the loop. So that's, well, this is pretty much pointless video from my point of view. Sorry about that, I just got a bit tongue-tied. But what we have noticed, or what we should notice, is that when we input a number, the do while loop again allows us to redo it when it's not, I think. But imagine that these were different options, like this was from a game. It would probably be new game up the top, scores, rules or settings, and the exit button. Outside of the scope we wouldn't typically have in a game, would have it limited to it, and we wouldn't allow them to enter a number inside of that. But well, I suppose that's what the default will be used, but just imagine this is sort of like building a game menu. That's how I always do it. So anyway, thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.